Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add a TradingView widget. And for this we search here TradingView all widgets, there it's standing, and then we click here on financial widgets. Then right now we click here on widgets, on this arrow, and then you have here all the type of widgets that we can add. So let's do, for example, we want to add a heat map widget, and then we click here on stock heat map, and then right now you will see this heat map right here. We want to add this widget as a heat map on a website that we have. Alright, right now we are here at our widget settings, and if you can see right here, here are the widget settings. So right now you can see everything right here that he will show in the widget when you copy this code right there. So make sure that you fill in everything correctly. So the grouping, the market cap, the color parameter, the language, then the symbol URL, then the color theme, and then you can select right here the type of things that you want. Then you click on apply, and then after that you need to copy this code, and you can copy this code to where you want it, and then you can use this widget on a website or whatever you want. So this is how you can use a TradingView widget. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.